Good afternoon, y'all. It is 32 degrees right here in Northwest Arkansas, and these boys out there are doing it. I should take that hanging basket down so I can see, but there's my shed. There's the brick on my house. And I am off to get some paint. I'm so excited. So excited. It's going to have a door coming out this end, a door going out the other end, and storage up there. I'm so excited. Alrighty. And we're off. Wish me luck. I'm headed to Sherwin-Williams to try to choose a color. Like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification button. Love y'all.